Florence can be an expensive place to stay, particularly when you start searching for beautiful hotels within walking distance of the Duomo. But look beyond the city's most famous 5-star names and you'll find restored historic buildings, intimate spas and design hotels offering much of the Florence luxury experience for considerably less. For this countdown, we're focusing on what actually matters when booking: price, neighborhood, walkability, atmosphere, key facilities and the experience you're receiving for your money. And because Florence is remarkably compact, paying less doesn't necessarily mean sacrificing the historic center or spending your holiday on public transport. As always, rates vary enormously with season, weekends, major events, room category, taxes and promotions, so every price mentioned is indicative rather than guaranteed. Our countdown begins just beyond Florence's most expensive Duomo streets, where a peaceful garden and surprisingly substantial spa are hidden behind an elegant historic facade. Number 5. Palazzo Castri 1874. Rooms can sometimes be found from around $180 to $240 per night, although Florence's busiest spring and autumn dates can push rates considerably higher. The hotel sits on Piazza dell'Indipendenza, roughly between Santa Maria Novella station and the northern edge of Florence's historic center. The Duomo is around a 10-minute walk away, while the railway station is also easily accessible for travelers arriving by train or planning day trips through Tuscany. That positioning is important because you're close enough to experience Florence largely on foot without necessarily paying the premium attached to staying directly beside the cathedral. Inside, Palazzo Castri combines the character of a 19th-century building with a much more contemporary boutique atmosphere. Rooms are elegant and understated rather than extravagantly ornate, creating a comfortable retreat after hours spent exploring Florence's museums and historic streets. But the property's real surprise is hidden behind the building. The Limonaya garden introduces palms, magnolias and greenery into the middle of the city, giving the hotel a sense of calm that isn't obvious from the surrounding streets. There's also a wellness center with a hydro-massage pool extending between indoor and outdoor spaces, together with a sauna and Turkish bath. That makes Palazzo Castri particularly attractive for couples who want more than simply a beautiful bedroom and central address. The compromise is that you're not staying directly beneath the Duomo, and this isn't the hotel for someone demanding sweeping Renaissance views from every window. But around $180 to $210 on favorable dates, the combination of historic center walkability, garden atmosphere and genuine spa facilities makes it a strong hidden luxury proposition. Our next hotel moves closer to Santa Maria Novella and completely abandons traditional Florentine elegance. Number 4. 25 Hours Hotel Florence Piazza San Paolino. Rooms can sometimes be found from around $170 to $230 per night, depending significantly on dates and room category. The hotel sits in the Santa Maria Novella district, around 7 minutes on foot from Florence's main railway station. That makes it particularly practical for travelers arriving by train or using Florence as a base for exploring other parts of Tuscany. The Duomo and central Renaissance sites remain within walking distance, so the convenient railway location doesn't require abandoning the historic city. But 25 Hours is unlike almost anything else in this countdown. Its interiors take inspiration from Dante's Divine Comedy, with rooms and public spaces playfully exploring themes of heaven and hell. The result is bold, theatrical and deliberately unconventional rather than classically luxurious. Rooms vary significantly in personality and size, allowing travelers to choose between relatively restrained accommodation and far more extravagant design. There's also a landscaped courtyard and lively collection of social spaces, giving the property considerably more personality than a conventional city hotel. For couples or younger travelers who enjoy design, restaurants and an energetic atmosphere, 25 Hours can make the hotel itself part of the Florence experience. The location is also useful at night because restaurants and bars around Santa Maria Novella are close by without requiring a journey back from the edges of the city. The obvious drawback is taste. If your idea of Florence luxury means frescoes, antiques and Renaissance restraint, the playful design may feel completely wrong. But around $170 to $200 on favorable dates, you're getting an unusually memorable hotel, excellent railway convenience and easy access to the historic center without paying purely for a prestigious Duomo address. Our number 3 takes the opposite approach and moves almost impossibly close to Florence's defining landmark. Number 3, Hotel Spadai. Rooms can sometimes be found from around $200 to $270 per night, although Florence's strongest travel periods can move pricing considerably higher. Hotel Spadai sits on Via de' Martelli, only around 100 meters from Piazza del Duomo. That means Brunelleschi's Dome, Florence Cathedral and the Baptistry are essentially outside your door. The Uffizi, Piazza della Signoria and Ponte Vecchio are also comfortably walkable, making this one of the strongest sightseeing locations in the entire countdown. For a 2 or 3 night visit, that convenience has real value. You can explore early in the morning, return to the hotel during the busiest or hottest part of the day, then walk back into historic Florence again in the evening. The hotel itself is sophisticated but relatively intimate, occupying a historic building rather than trying to reproduce the scale of a grand 5-star palace. Rooms are polished and comfortable, with higher categories providing more space and some particularly attractive city views. There's even a private spa experience available for couples, although this isn't a large wellness hotel built around extensive leisure facilities. The real luxury here is Florence immediately outside. And that's also the trade-off. Around $200 to $240, you're paying more than at our first 2 hotels without receiving a huge swimming pool, enormous gardens or resort-style facilities. What you're buying instead is time. When almost everything a first-time visitor wants to see is within an easy walk, a short Florence stay becomes extraordinarily simple. So our first 3 hotels offer 3 very different versions of hidden luxury. Spa relaxation near the historic center, unconventional design around Santa Maria Novella, or exceptional Duomo walkability. But our final 2 combine central Florence with even stronger luxury experiences, including rooftop atmosphere and one of the most desirable combinations of location and views in the city. Our final 2 hotels remain deep inside historic Florence, but both offer something beyond simply putting you within walking distance of the city's Renaissance landmarks. The first combines contemporary boutique design with one of the most atmospheric rooftop experiences in the center. Number 2, Hotel Calimala, Florence. Rooms can sometimes be found from around $220 to $290 per night, although larger rooms in Florence's busiest periods can push rates substantially higher. Calimala sits on Via Calimala, almost midway between Piazza della Signoria and the Duomo. That location puts the Uffizi Gallery, Ponte Vecchio, Palazzo Vecchio and Florence Cathedral within an exceptionally compact walking radius. For first-time visitors, it's difficult to imagine a more convenient base for experiencing the historic center. The hotel occupies a restored 19th-century palazzo, but the interiors avoid simply recreating traditional Renaissance luxury. Instead, historic stonework is mixed with contemporary furniture, rich fabrics and modern Italian design. Rooms are stylish rather than enormous, which is hardly unusual when staying inside valuable historic real estate in central Florence. The real personality of Calimala becomes more obvious higher in the building. Its rooftop spaces provide terraces above the surrounding historic streets, creating somewhere to enjoy Florence rather than simply rushing back outside after leaving your room. For couples, that combination of rooftop atmosphere and extraordinary walkability can make the hotel feel particularly special. You can spend the day exploring galleries and churches, return easily for a break, then step back into the historic center for dinner. The main compromise is that Calimala doesn't offer the extensive wellness facilities of Palazzo Castri or the full-service infrastructure of a large 5-star hotel. And once rates climb significantly beyond $300, the value equation becomes harder to justify. But around $220 to $250 on favorable dates, you're paying for sophisticated design, rooftop atmosphere and a location where much of Renaissance Florence is practically outside the door. And that brings us to our number 1. Number 1, Grand Hotel Minerva. Rooms can sometimes be found from around $250 to $330 per night, depending heavily on season, room category and demand. Grand Hotel Minerva occupies a remarkable position directly on Piazza Santa Maria Novella, one of Florence's most beautiful historic squares. The railway station is only a few minutes away, making arrival remarkably straightforward, particularly for travelers visiting Florence as part of a wider Italian journey. But the Duomo is also roughly 10 minutes away on foot, while Ponte Vecchio, Piazza della Signoria and the Uffizi remain comfortably accessible. That combination of railway convenience and historic center walkability is surprisingly difficult to beat. The hotel itself feels more traditionally upscale than our previous choices, with elegant rooms and public spaces that retain a distinctly Florentine character. Higher room categories introduce additional space and some beautiful views across the city's rooftops and historic architecture. But the feature that elevates Grand Hotel Minerva above most similarly positioned hotels is on the roof. The rooftop swimming pool and terrace look across Florence toward the Duomo and surrounding Renaissance skyline. During the warmer months, being able to return from hours of sightseeing and swim above the city's terracotta rooftops can completely change the experience. It's the kind of setting that photographs like a considerably more expensive luxury hotel. For couples, sunset from the rooftop can become one of the highlights of the stay without requiring another journey across the city. For travelers using Florence as a base for Tuscany, the nearby railway station adds a completely different kind of value. You can take a day trip to Pisa, Lucca or other Tuscan destinations and return without crossing half the city to reach your hotel. The main drawback is price. Grand Hotel Minerva sits at the upper edge of what we'd comfortably describe as under-budget luxury, particularly during Florence's peak spring and autumn periods. Once rates move substantially beyond $300, Hotel Spadai or Palazzo Castri may provide stronger pure value depending on your priorities. But when rooms appear around $250 to $280, the combination of rooftop pool, Renaissance views, central location and railway convenience becomes extremely compelling. That's why Grand Hotel Minerva takes our number 1 position for overall hidden luxury value in Florence. Choose Palazzo Castri 1874 when spa facilities and a peaceful garden matter more than staying directly beside the Duomo. Choose 25 Hours Hotel Florence Piazza San Paolino for personality, design and railway convenience, particularly if traditional Florentine luxury isn't what you're looking for. Choose Hotel Spadai when sightseeing location matters above almost everything else, or Hotel Calimala when you want contemporary boutique character in the heart of Renaissance Florence. But for our strongest overall combination of location, rooftop experience, facilities and practical convenience, number 1 goes to Grand Hotel Minerva. Florence ultimately demonstrates why affordable luxury isn't simply about finding the lowest nightly rate. A slightly more expensive hotel can sometimes save time, simplify sightseeing and provide experiences that become part of the trip itself. On favorable dates, roughly $180 to $280 can still unlock historic palazzi, boutique design, spa facilities and extraordinary rooftop views in the heart of Florence. And in a city where genuine palace-level luxury can cost several times that amount, choosing carefully can make your budget stretch surprisingly far. Because the best value hotel isn't necessarily the cheapest one. It's the place that allows you to experience more of Florence itself without paying for luxury you never needed.